What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're talking about how much does Acorns cost each month. We're going to go over all of the different plans that they have and all the features and what I recommend coming up. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing, flipping, referral programs. If you are interested in learning more about investing or flipping or affiliate marketing, make sure you grab the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. And if you're not on the platform a lot, go to kevinjpino.com, put your email in. I'll send videos directly to your inbox so you don't have to be scrolling through YouTube all the time. Many people are asking, is Acorns expensive compared to other companies? Is Bitcoin better? How does this stuff work? Where do they invest the money? Is it something I can trust? And there are a lot of great questions. We'll be breaking all that down. But first, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how you can get this app yourself and a $5 bonus. I'll show you how you can get that done. So what is Acorns? We should probably go over that first. It's just an investment app that allows you to invest automatic payments or your spare change from your debit card or checking account into the stock market, buying ETFs and micro shares. What is all that? It's essentially a collective of companies where you can buy a small piece of it and become an owner of a company and not just a consumer. This is how the vast majority of wealthy people build their wealth, is by owning things that grow and appreciate and pay them dividends over time. Acorns allows you to do this with very small amounts, and we'll go over the fees very shortly. If you don't trust this thing or don't trust the stock market, this site is regulated by the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and anything you hear in this video is not to be taken as investment advice. Do your own due diligence, seek out professional advice. I'm just doing this for informational purposes, and I'll share some of my thoughts on this as we go along. In regards to how it works, essentially you'll be linking your account to Acorns. Every time you make a transaction, it'll give you the ability to round that up to the nearest dollar. But not just a dollar, it has 4 options for that. You can round it to the closest 25 cent, 50 cent, 75 cent, or $1. And what Acorns will do is take that small amount and put it right into your portfolio, the portfolio that it helped you create by answering a series of questions. Now, for example, let's say you go out and you buy a hot dog or something for $4.74. I'll just use that example. If you have your app set to rounding up to the closest dollar, it'll take that last 26 cents and deposit it into your Acorns account into the stock market. If you have it set up for the closest 75 cents, it'll just take 1 penny because you paid $4.74. Now I know, before you start ranting like how much does this cost, a lot of people say Robinhood is better or this and that is better. A lot of these apps make you buy a large chunk of stock or full price stock. Because they use micro shares and ETFs, you get to buy a small amount. That's why you can take just $5 a month and buy a piece of the market by doing this. But other apps, something like Tesla, is trading at $600. If you don't have $600, you can't buy Tesla. But you can get in the whole market with just $6 a month. That's why I think Acorns is a great place to start on your investing journey. So how expensive is it? We're gonna go over the 3 plans that they offer and all the things that you're gonna get with it, starting from highest to lowest, and you can make up your mind on which one is best for you, or even if this app is even good for you. I personally use it and I love it. Okay, the most expensive plan is the family plan, and that's going to cost you $5 a month. That is the fee to start making transactions with that. So that is $60 a year to have this account. But what are you going to get for that? That's the fee you're paying. You still have to invest money. Well, what kind of accounts and features you're going to get? So number one, the basic, is the investment account, where all of your deposits, your automatic deposits, or your spare change is going to go in. You can control this by setting up your spare change deposit from your debit card, or you can do a daily, weekly, monthly automatic deposit of a minimum of $5. So you can do $5 a day, or you can do $5 once a month, or you could do $50 a day or $50 once a month. It's up to you. You get to set how much is going in there, but the fee itself is $5. So that's your investment account, but it also gives you access to a retirement account. This is a tax advantaged account, which gives you the ability to put money away and not pay taxes on the growth or the interest and dividends that you accrue from that. Takes all that money and reinvests it back in the account and lets it grow until you have to take it out. Now, you usually have to keep your money in there until, I believe, 59 and a half. If you take it out early, then there is a 10% penalty plus your current tax rate. If you're going to open that, that's for money that you're not going to need for a long time. The investment account in itself, you can invest for a month and then close it if you want with really no burden. But you're going to pay a little bit of taxes on any interest dividends in profit you make when you sell. Just keep that in mind. What else are you going to get with this account? A spending account, a checking account. They'll actually allow you to have a checking account directly in Acorns, and they'll give you a nice metal card that you can carry around, and it does all the roundups and transactions right through that. Now, you get these three things plus one more thing for $5 a month. If you have kids, you're going to love this. They also give you what's called Acorns Early. If you haven't heard of it, it's an investment account for a minor, for anyone under 18. And you could start this as soon as someone is born. What it is, it's the kid's account, but you manage it for them. They don't have access till they're 18 years old. And you could start putting this away. So you get those 3 accounts, or 4 accounts really. But what comes with Early? You get the investment account. You can open up multiple accounts for multiple kids at no additional cost. So if you have 4 kids and you want to open 4 accounts, you can open up 4 accounts for each one of them, no additional cost. You could set up automatic recurring investments. So you can do the daily thing or the monthly thing. If you want to just start with $10 a month or $5 a month for each kid, you have 4 kids. You only can afford an extra $20 for all of them. You can set up 4 individual accounts. It's their money, and just do that in perpetuity until they're old enough to take it over for themselves. Now, this isn't a college account. It's not tax advantage. It's their account, but they can use it for whatever they want. You're also going to get exclusive bonus investments. As soon as you open this account, you'll be getting emails and updates from them, and they'll go more in depth with what those bonuses are, but we'll get a little bit into it later on in the video, so make sure you stick around. The funds are flexible, and it gives them the ability to adjust the allocations as you go along. Plus, they're going to give you some additional family financial planning advice along with having this account. That's up to you, but those are all the features from the family plan. Now let's go to the next tier down. For the personal account, it's going to be about $3 a month. You're going to get a little bit less with this, but it's still a really great plan. Let me go over what's in it. First, you're going to get the investment account. That's the basic investment account that you could set up to where you're buying your stocks and bonds and building your portfolio through spare change or automatic investments. That's the baseline. Next, you're still going to get the Acorns Later, which is a retirement account for yourself. So if you're just investing for just you, your private account, it's a great feature here to have those 2 different accounts, one short-term, one long-term. You're also going to get Acorn Spending, which is the basic checking account. Let me go over a couple little points to this account. You're going to save money in this account with no ATM fees across the world. It's in 55,000 fee-free ATMs across the world. You can save money with no account fees, and you have access to 55,000 nationwide fee-free ATMs with this card. You can earn up to 10% investment in bonuses with this account, or the card that comes with it, and your automatic investments can be built right into this account. So this is all for $3 a month. And a lot of people saying like Stash and TD Bank and Charles Schwab have all these crazy things you can do for free or other things. There's a fee every time you make a transaction, but this is making the transactions for you, and they're just giving you a flat rate of $3 a month. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment below on any kind of videos that you want to make in the future. Tell me where you're from so I can create more content around where you live. Back to the video. Now, before we get to the lowest cost plan, I want to go over some extra bonuses and cool features that I think are noteworthy for you to take a look at. First is the Acorns Earn. Acorns has partnered with tons of companies that allow you to earn extra stock bonuses and cash bonuses when you shop with your card or account. It's very simple. Let's say you want to go to Home Depot, you need to buy some lumber, you're doing some work for the house. Maybe there's a additional bonus that you can earn once you buy there. All you do is you swipe your card, make your purchase, and then a small percentage of that bonus will be sent directly to your Acorns account and invested automatically into your portfolio. Another cool thing that they added was a Google Chrome extension where you can put that right into the top of your Google search bar. So if you're doing any shopping online, it'll automatically tell you if there is a bonus for this account. Really sweet feature, so you never miss anything, and you always get that money deposited in your account. Now let's talk about bonuses. They have a referral program that allows you to give someone $5 when they open their account. If someone deposits their money, opens their account, they'll get an additional $5 on your behalf, and you'll actually get an additional $5 bonus. One more thing I want to add, if you're an influencer, you have an audience that you want to share this with, they often give bonuses to people that have already made some referrals, sometimes $1, $2, even up to $1,000. Now it's a short window. They might do something like 5 referrals in a week to get that bonus. But if you have an audience, it's a really cool feature to have if you're using Acorns, and a great way to earn some extra dough to invest in the future. The cheapest plan here is Acorns Lite, and it's a simple account. It's essentially just the investment account. It's hooked up to your debit card. You can link as many debit cards as you want. If it's you and your wife sharing an account, you can hook up both your debit cards. And the fee for this account is $1 per month. You still get the Acorns Earn. You still can do the spare change, roundup. You can do automatic deposits, daily, weekly, monthly. And you're also going to get all of the referral bonuses that you share with your link. It's a special link just for you. Now, I hope I've covered everything that you're looking for. In the description of this video is a link, my Acorns referral bonus. If you want to open an account today and earn an extra $5, go down in the description below, click that link. You'll earn an extra $5, as will I. Thank you. I appreciate you for clicking on this video. What you can do now, BetterHelp, if you don't want to do that, click on the video on the screen. It's recommended for you by the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to subscribe if you like this stuff. If not, thank you for coming by.